tiny.
Kaya to tiyagang kita ang bubog sa hindi.
Luig siya na siya chain sa iyang nayang pupo. Nag-agi siya din hiyo while we were muni siyang road to Pak Ou Cave, as in like dili ra kaya ra. So it is 8 in the morning and we're supposed to return our bike 8:45, but we're still here. So I think we're just gonna pay another extra day because they don't really offer like half-day rental. We were able to get a boat ride for 13,000 kip per person. That's round trip. And so we're following Kuya right there. He's carrying parang gas for the engine. Yep. And there are booths in front of the docking area that sells like their traditional, what do you call that? Pero that's expensive eh. This one is from, the one I'm wearing is from Chiang Mai and it's only like 90 baht here. We asked yesterday on our way to the waterfall. They're selling it for like 250,000 kip. It's very expensive. Can you imagine? 50,000 kip is only 200 baht. So magkano na lang yun? Okay. Pangarap kinato ba? Pangarap kinato ni nga boat.
Feeling ko yun yung ganun.
Oo, yun. Nice view. Thank you. The first ones to arrive. Sabay di. Okay. Thank you. The entrance is 20 kip. early in the morning. Agoy. Bantay ka, taga-diri ka. It's cold.
Alright, we're going to the upper cave. Upper part of the Pak Ou Cave. And there are some wild goats here grazing, having their breakfast. Okay, enjoy your breakfast, guys. So this is like a goat island. Me, sabay me. Joke lang. I guess it's a fat Buddha. Oh, there you go. There's another Buddha here. It's like a bogey Buddha. Sayang sarado. Ah, yeah. Thanks. So she's opening the gate. Padulong Cave. It's really dark in here. So it's really dark. Can't even see a thing here. I guess we're done with the upper part of the cave. Anyway.
Bad kayo ni sila. Kabalo ka overtime. Masakit na ang likod sa elephant.
Siyempre. Gentle giants.
Saan ni sila? Manifa Elephant Camp. Every day mo nang himuon sa mga elephants.